Hi guys, today we are talking about garlic benefits. Garlic is a highly nutritious and flavorful ingredient that offers many healthy benefits including boost immunity. Garlic is rich in antioxidant and sulfur compound that help boost the immunity system and protect against disease. Supports heart health. Garlic has been shown to reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots, and all of which can contribute to a healthy heart. Antibacterial properties. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties, making it a useful ingredient for fighting infections and promoting overall health. Supports digestive health. Garlic can help stimulate the production of digestive juices, aiding in digestion and reducing symptoms of indigestion. Boost physical performance. Garlic has been shown to enhance physical performance and reduce molecule fatigue, making it a useful ingredient for athletes and active individuals. Promotes skin health. Garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect against sun damage and promotes healthy skin. Nutrition in one garlic. One medium-sized garlic clove contains the following nutrients: manganese 0.2 mg 10% of the DV, vitamin B6 0.1 mg 5% of the DV, vitamin C 1.8 mg 3% of the DV, and selenium 1.2 mcg 2% of the DV, fiber 0.1 g, calcium 4 mg 0.4% of the DV, iron 0.1 mg 0.6% of the DV.